Hello students, in this guide I will show you how to access the CTKIS Learning Hub, where you can find lessons, participate in discussions and take quizzes. First, open your internet browser and visit our school's website. Once you are there, find the menu items and click on the menu button. From the list, select Student Portal. This will take you to the portal's homepage. On the homepage, look for a button that says Log into your portal. Click on that button and you will be on the login page. To log in, enter your student ID as your username. For the password, type in your student ID followed by CTK24. Once you've entered your details, click on the login button. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your student homepage. You should see your name and class displayed. Now that you are on the homepage, click on the menu button. This will give you access to all the features of the Learning Hub. The first item on the menu is View Lessons. To see lessons your teacher has uploaded, click on the Lessons tab and choose View Lessons. Here you will find all the lessons which you can either read online or download. The next item in the menu is the discussion forum. In the discussion forum, you can join in chat with your classmates or your teacher. This is a great place to share your thoughts and ask or answer questions. Next to the discussion forum is the online video section. This is where you can watch video lessons that your teacher has posted. It is a good way to understand the topics being taught. So you can use this section to access all uploaded video lessons. Finally, there is the option to take a quiz. You can take quizzes online to test what you've learned from the lessons. So to take a quiz, use the quiz tab to access all quizzes posted by the teacher.